Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Melati Fitrananda. I am from Tridinanti University, majoring Industrial Engineering. And today I want to present my assessment entitled Analyzing Customer Needs for Model Stall using the Kano and Circular methods. I will explain a little what are the Kano and Circular methods. The Kano model is a method used to identify and categorize customer needs based on their impact on customer satisfaction. And SERP-QuAL method is a method used to measure service quality by comparing customer expectation to the service they receive. Okay, next slide. Research introduction. Warner Model Stall is a culinary business that offers a variety of foods, one of which is the model. Besides the model Warner shop also sell a menu, take one, free and food, and fresh drink. Warner Stall can sell 40 to 50 servings a day, with sales turnover ranging 300 to 400,000 per day, with the majority of buyers being adult and school children. Okay, next slide. Preview research. Model is basically made from the same dough as submarine pancake. The difference is that the model is stuffed with tofu and frying before serving. When served, the model is mixed with model sauce made from shrimp broth. Besides being mixed with vermicelli, it is usually mixed with cucumber and ebi. According to the Tourism Office of Palembang City 2019, model is a typical food of Palembang City that has existed for a long time. This food has spread to various regions in the archipelago but may rarely find it unless you visit Palembang directly. Okay, next slide. Research problem. Research problem number 1, lack of innovation to add new variant. Number 2, lack of physical facilities such as fence. Number 3, for lacking parking lot is not allowed now. What is the parking area so small? This is because Wagner Stall is located in a narrow alley which results in a lack of parking space. Okay, next slide, method. SERP-QuAL. The 5 dimensions of SERP-QuAL method are: number 1, tangible, physical facility, equipment and communication facility. Number 2, reliability, the ability to perform the promised service reliably and accurately. Number 3, responsiveness, willingness to help customer and provide for prompt service. Number 4, assurance, knowledge and clarity of fear and their ability to convey trust and confidence. Number 5, empathy, the individuals, the attention a company gives to its customer. Okay, next slide. Kano model. Kano is one method that can be used to identify customer satisfaction, where this model aims to categorize the attributes of product or service based on how well the product or service can satisfy customer needs. Okay, next slide. 6 category of Kano model, namely, number 1, must be basic requirement that customer affect. Their absence leads to justification, but fulfilling them does not increase satisfaction. Number 2, one-dimensional. Feature that customer efficacy want. The more test needs are met, the greater the satisfaction. Number 3, attractive. Delegator are unfacted features that can significantly increase satisfaction when present, but their absence does not cause dissatisfaction. Number 4, indifferent features that have little impact on customer satisfaction regardless of whether they are present. 5. Receiver features that when provided may lead to dissatisfaction because customers prefer simplicity or prefer option. Number 6, questionable. Features that may not clearly fit into the other categories and require further investigation to understand their impact on satisfaction. Next slide. There are questions that distribute the response through a questionnaire. Okay, next slide. The result of the questionnaire data that I have distributed, I got the following data. Next slide. From the result of the data calculation above, it can be concluded that each category, tangible, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, has a negative gut value, which means that it has not met customer needs and satisfaction. While the empathy categories is positive, which means it has met customer expectation. Okay, next slide. From the data I got, we can see that there is a very large negative attribute value, namely minus 1.55 with tangible attributes. The result of the table show that 19 service attributes have negative result, with status that these attributes do not meet the expectation of Wagner sub-customer. Okay, next slide. Here we can see there is a Kano evolution table. Service attribute grouping by considering the number of categories each attribute gets. The determination of the Kano category with the following condition. If O plus A plus M smaller than I plus R plus Q, then the maximum grade of OAM. If O plus A plus M greater than I plus R plus Q, then the maximum grade of I plus R plus Q. Next, Kano category mapping for each attribute. There are the results of the Kano categories that we have obtained from the questionnaire data. Next slide, conclusion. Slide last. From the analyzing the SERP-QUAL method above, there is the highest reference value of the negative gap, which is minus 1.55, which shows that there are still definition in the service facility provided. and have not been able to meet customer expectation. And then, after analyzing the Kano method, there are categories that have been identified or desired category, and how important service attribute can provide satisfaction. 11 attributes of product or service performance that the better the fulfillment of these needs. The higher the level of customer satisfaction. Also, there are 7 interesting attributes or needs that are not affected, affected by a customer. But if these needs are met, it can provide a positive service and significantly increase satisfaction. That's all my presentation. Sorry if my English is still far from good. I end this presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.